I know it sounds strange to say you were born in a box. After all, you know where you were born. But give me a minute and I'll explain what I mean.
Every one of us was born into a kind of box. Not a physical one, but a mental and cultural one. That box was shaped by the first people we met in life. Usually our parents, family members, or caregivers.
As children, we learn by observing. We copy how people around us speak, behave, and view the world. Long before we develop our own opinions, our beliefs are already being formed. That's one reason many people grow up sharing the religion, traditions, values, or political views of the environment they were raised in.
There's nothing wrong with learning from those who raised you. In fact, it's necessary. The problem begins when we never stop to examine what we've inherited.
Some people spend their entire lives inside the limits of the box they were given. Others become curious enough to ask difficult questions. Why do I believe this? Why do I think this way? Is this really my conclusion? Or did I simply inherit it?
At some point, you have to decide what stays and what goes.
Because if you never examine the contents of your box, your life may end up following a path you never consciously chose.
Freedom doesn't come from running away from your past. It comes from understanding it.
Sometimes the answers you discover will keep you in the box. Sometimes they'll lead you beyond it. But either way, nobody can do that thinking for you.